Guys, I'll be going through the luxury yacht right now.
You're a vlogger, sir?
Yeah,
From where?
from India.
Actually, in this 1 hour trip, we are going Marina, JBR. We'll stop in front of Fine Dubai.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today vlog will be special because I'm going to Dubai Marina. So I grab a taxi from Dubai Mall and now I'm heading towards Dubai Marina. The ride usually take 25 to 30 minutes. It's depend upon the traffic. This is the map where I need to go in Dubai Marina for the luxury yacht in Dubai Marina. Dubai's roads are always smooth and clean. Look at the skyline. It's like driving through the future. Alright, we have just reached to Dubai Marina. Guys, I will be going through the luxury yacht right now. You can have a look throughout the video. Thank you.
We have some drinks here. Picture in the mobile or water, soft drinks. You can ask me anytime. We are always here to assist you. And this is 1 hour trip. We start trip from Dubai Harbour.
So guys, I will be showing you complete yacht from the inside. So let's start. The crew just served me a refreshing water. Trust me, after the Dubai heat, water feels like luxury out there. Now let's go inside and check out the interior. Just look at this space. It's so spacious and beautifully designed. This is the main lounge area, perfect for relaxing, enjoying the ride, or just hanging out with friends. Let me show you the yacht washroom, and trust me, it's not your usual bathroom. Look at this, everything is so modern and clean. It feels like a mini hotel suite on board. And now check out the main living area. This is where you can relax, hang out with friends, or just enjoy the views. Now let's head down to check out the bedrooms. Yes, this yacht has more than one. Alright, now let's go below deck and see what this yacht is really hiding. Here is the first bedroom. It's smaller cabin, perfect for kids or guests. Even though it's compact, it's super cozy and comfortable. And here's something that's make this cabin even more special. It comes with its own attached washroom. It's fully equipped, sink, mirror, shower, everything you'd accept in a hotel, but right here on the yacht. Now here's the master bedroom, and just wait until you see the view. This is the largest and most luxurious bedroom on the yacht. Look at this beautiful setup. It honestly feels like a floating hotel suite. This room is so cozy, I feel like I could just sleep here tonight. Wow, this bed is unbelievable comfortable. It really feels like a 5-star hotel on the water. And here's the washroom. Even this is designed with comfort and style in mind. It has everything you would expect in a hotel bathroom. Sink, shower, clean finish, but right here on the yacht. The details are so well done. It's modern, sleek, and super clean. One of the best part about the bedroom is the window. Just look at the view. Imagine waking up here, the first thing you see is the marina or the open sea. That's the true luxury. Let's move to the dining area of luxury yacht. It's set up beautifully with plenty of space for meal and gathering. Imagine having a lunch or dinner while sailing past Dubai Marina. This is where you can relax, eat, and still enjoy the skyline all around you. Now let's head to the outside sitting area. This is where you really feel the breeze and enjoy the view. There are plenty of space to sit, relax, or take photo while cruising through Dubai Marina. And the view, honestly, it's breathtaking. You can see Marina, the skyscraper, and sea all at once. This outside sitting area is perfect for chilling, relaxing, and enjoying the luxury of sailing through Dubai Marina. And here you will get free refreshment like orange and lime water.
You're a vlogger, sir?
You can subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I have YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. My phone is down there. I will do later.
Okay.
After this.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Alright, now let's head back up to the deck and enjoy the up air. It's exciting going for the cozy interior to the fresh deck. The best part of the yacht experience is up here. And we are back on the deck. The breeze, the view, everything feel amazing out here. And check this out, I'm in Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. You can see it perfectly from the yacht.
Actually, in this 1 hour trip, we are going Marina, JBR. We'll stop in front of Fine Dubai. and then come back. We'll stop some. We'll take some nice pictures. He's the first officer here, Afzal, and we have colleagues. One and only Ronald. Yeah.
Thank you guys. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. See you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Tag him. I want to see us doing it.